Rajan Chaudhary, Motivational Speaker, Business Coach, and Career Counselor.
Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Why sell your own products when you can sell someone else? Eliminating the hassle risk of stock, delivery, and payment. This is where affiliate marketing comes in. Affiliate marketing is the process of marketing another company's product service and taking a cut if they sell a product based to a customer you have referred through marketing activity. To get started is relatively simple. Create a basic e-commerce website for a particular niche, that is health and tennis. Find interesting products with affiliate schemes, either by directly approaching the supplier or through third-party affiliate platforms. Then list these products on your store, then link all the buy buttons through to supplier website using tracking links. Every time somebody buys, you get paid a commission of the sale. To get started quickly, you can work with Amazon affiliates who offer a huge range of products. There is little to no upfront cost, you don't need to purchase the product, you only handle sales. Generating affiliate sales is all about marketing to the right audience, driving relevant traffic to the landing products pages you have set up to sell. Also, if you are running an online blog or another type of media site and you have managed to create a community of dedicated followers, setting up paid access features is another great way to monetize. Many online publishers and magazines are now pursuing this type of monetization as advertising and affiliate revenues decline. You can even launch a paid access feature using website builders like Ning that offers you a platform to build your community and launch a paid access easily. Is it? For more details, you can ask anything from me in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Be happy, take care, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.